Hi, everyone. Welcome to Unique Content, the channel where you can find innovative and fresh ideas for your online presence. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting topic that can help you get more views on YouTube: AI. That's right, AI technology is transforming the world of online marketing, and in this tutorial, we're going to show you how you can use it to get more views on your videos. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique content. First, understanding AI technology and its role in YouTube marketing. First of all, let's understand what AI technology is and how it's changing the world of marketing. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a system that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as problem solving, decision making, and pattern recognition. In the context of YouTube marketing, AI can be used to optimize your videos for better visibility, increase engagement, and grow your audience. Second, how AI can help you get more views on YouTube. So, how can you use AI technology to get more views on your YouTube videos? There are several ways that AI can help, including video optimization. AI-powered tools can analyze your videos and suggest changes to make them more attractive and discoverable to potential viewers. Keyword analysis. AI can help you identify the best keywords to use in your video titles and descriptions, increasing the chances of your videos appearing in search results. Video recommendations. AI algorithms can analyze your content and suggest new topics that are likely to interest your audience, helping you keep your content fresh and relevant. AI tools to help you get more views on YouTube. Now that you know how AI can help you get more views on YouTube, let's take a look at some of the best AI tools available for YouTube marketers. TubeBuddy. This AI-powered tool can help you optimize your videos for better visibility, analyze your competition, and get more subscribers. vidIQ. vidIQ is an AI-powered tool that can help you research keywords, analyze your competition, and increase your video's discoverability. Viduli. Viduli is an AI-powered video marketing tool that can help you grow your YouTube channel, increase engagement, and get more views. TubeBuddy is an AI-powered tool designed to help YouTubers optimize their videos and grow their channels. It offers a range of features, including video optimization. TubeBuddy can help you optimize your videos by analyzing them and suggesting changes to your titles, descriptions, tags, and other metadata to improve your visibility in search results. Keyword research. TubeBuddy's keyword research tool can help you find the best keywords to target in your video titles and descriptions, increasing the chances of your videos appearing in search results. Channel management. TubeBuddy offers a range of channel management tools, including bulk video processing, end screens and annotations, and analytics, making it easier for you to manage your YouTube channel. Audience engagement. TubeBuddy provides tools to help you increase engagement with your audience, such as A/B testing for titles and tags, and the ability to track your competitors' activity. Monetization. TubeBuddy also offers features to help you monetize your YouTube channel, including support for YouTube's partner program and access to sponsorships and brand deals. Overall, TubeBuddy is a comprehensive tool that offers a wide range of features to help YouTubers grow their channels, increase engagement, and maximize their earnings. If you're looking to get the most out of your YouTube channel, TubeBuddy is definitely worth considering. That's it, folks. These are just a few of the ways that AI technology can help you get more views on YouTube. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or a content creator, AI tools can help you achieve your marketing goals and take your YouTube channel to the next level. So start experimenting with AI today and see the results for yourself. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more unique content.